How to enable or disable the Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Blocklist in Windows 11. The Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Blocklist is a security feature in Windows 11 that helps protect systems from driver-based attacks. It works with tools like Hypervisor Protected Code Integrity, HVCI, or Smart App Control to stop dangerous or exploitable drivers from running. This helps block attacks that rely on old or unsafe drivers. In this video, we'll show you different ways to enable or disable the blocklist on Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Using Windows Security, GUI. Press Win+I to open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Open Device Security and select Core Isolation Details. Use the Memory Integrity switch. Choose On to enable blocklist. Choose Off to disable blocklist. Restart your PC if prompted. Method 2. Using PowerShell. Open the Start menu, type PowerShell, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. To check if the blocklist is on, run True means it's enabled, False means it's disabled, Blank means it's managed by another setting, like Memory Integrity. To enable the blocklist, run. To disable it, run. Restart your PC to apply the change. Method 3. Using Group Policy. This method is for IT admins managing multiple devices. It works on Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education, and requires admin rights. Press Win+R. Type gpedit.msc and press Enter to open the Group Policy Editor. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Device Guard. Open Turn on Virtualization-Based Security and set it to Enabled. Under Secure Boot Configuration, choose either Secure Boot for basic protection or Secure Boot with DMA protection, which is recommended. Under Code Integrity, choose Enabled with UEFI Lock, which is the most secure, or Enabled without lock, which allows policy changes. Click Apply, then OK, and restart your PC. These settings turn on Hypervisor Enforced Code Integrity, HVCI, which uses the Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Blocklist to block unsafe drivers. Method 4. Using Registry Editor. Use this method if you don't have access to Group Policy or want to automate settings with scripts. Be sure to back up your registry or create a restore point first. Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. If prompted by UAC, click Yes. Go to H key, Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, CI, Config. In the right pane, create or edit a DWARD 32-bit value named Vulnerable Driver Blocklist. Enable set to 1 to enable blocklist. Set to 0 to disable blocklist. Click OK and restart your PC to apply the change. The Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Blocklist protects Windows 11 from unsafe drivers. You can manage it using Windows Security, PowerShell, Group Policy, or the Registry, depending on your environment and administrative needs. When enabling it, remember to balance strong security with driver compatibility. For more information, check out our official blog post on Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Blocklist linked in the description below.